It is great to see you all again here at Wealthy Coin Specialist. Get ready to quit working forever since we have proved that $10 is real. TO has lately joined with the lending payment platform BitPay to expand SHIB's payment choices. Consequently, fans and collectors will have additional options when it comes to buying NFTs, using their favorite cryptocurrency. Professionals who have recently established the reality of $10 will be discussed in this video. Get ready to leave your job forever. News from SHIB. If you want to see our most latest info on expert analysis and Shiba Inu prize predictions, make sure to subscribe to the channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. The video can now begin. Exclusively on Toppy.com. You can now buy 2 of these popular NFT editions made by the talented illustrator and animator Ronald Kucoin, better known by his stage name Sealight, who is based in the UK. Hunters in the Snow is now available on the platform. Peter Bruegel the Elder's painting in Mirage, a work inspired by the breathtaking architecture of the camp, are on display. The TO digital marketplace focuses on non-fungible tokens and is based in Lisbon. Virtual real estate, avatar apparel, artwork, and games are just some of the digital artifacts that can be bought and sold on Portugal's platform. The UI is user-friendly. Users have access to a wide range of NFTs with TO. Make new artistic connections and just participate in the booming digital art industry. An individual from the SHIB Tech Telegram channel has announced that the official SHIB documentation is now complete. Smart developers are still ironing out the kinks with Cathie, the main developer for Shiba Inu, so they haven't launched it just yet. Additionally, the administrator brought up the possibility that developers may create something other than docs. The fact that the docs are complete is all that remains to be determined. The administrator has promised to release more stuff than simply the docs if possible. Famous people who have an impact on Inu. People like SHIB Knight from Army Shiba and Lucy from Lucy SHIB have slowed things down a bit. You can check the tweets that were shared with the message below. Keep in mind that the developers had initially planned to release the materials 1 week following the test launch of the proposed Ethereum Layer 2 solution. Almost 2 weeks have passed since the beta version's release on March 11. Furthermore, a tweet from March 16 indicated that the docs would be shipped out in 4 to 5 days. Note that the project has been under fire as of late, with the most severe accusation being that the code was stolen from another upcoming project named Renia. However, Renia's inventor has denied the accusation. Shoiki-sama, the eponymous primary creator of Shibana, had earlier promised that Shiram will serve as a learning platform and attract users outside of the Shibu ecosystem. Additionally, it promises to burn SHIB with each transaction, which has the community excited about the prospect of a coin at a steep discount. Inventory that has the potential to see a price increase due to the value of their holdings. Tokens like Shiba Inu, built on the Ethereum blockchain, allow users to transact directly with one another in a decentralized network. Many people have become millionaires or even billionaires as a result of the incredible profits it has. Because of its accessibility for microtransactions, Shiba Inu's low price has also contributed to its appeal. With a daily trading volume of about $500 billion and a solid logic that has awarded holders enormous rewards, it has become one of the top 20 cryptoverses, contributing to its success. According to on-chain data, Shiba Inu is now struggling to bounce back from a recent slump. A decrease in network expansion and the desire of long-term holders to sell their stakes could put downward pressure on the SHIB's pricing. As of the beginning of March, there have been only 1,759 new addresses added to the Shiba Inu ecosystem, a significant decrease from the 5,575 addresses added only 1 month earlier in February, according to more current data. People may be losing interest in the coin or are looking for something else entirely. If its value is dropped, a drop in new addresses isn't the only problem the Shiba Inu community is having to deal with. According to sentiment analysis, long-term token holders are selling off their holdings, leading to a massive sell-off and even lower prices. Shiba Inu may have difficulties in the next weeks if the trend of fewer new addresses on blockchain networks continues. This could mean that users aren't interested in the platform's main offerings. Active addresses are behind according to on-chain data, which counts the number of nodes that successfully complete a transaction on the network. New data shows that the number of active Shiba Inu addresses has dropped to 106,000 in the past 30 days, suggesting that people using SHIB may not have been that enthusiastic about doing transactions with the token. The SHIB's recent underwhelming performance, which led to a decline of 18.65 in the same time frame, is likely the cause of this trend. For the time being, market analysts and SHIB investors can only conjecture as to whether or not the popular cryptocurrency will return. The SHIB's burn rate has risen by a startling 5,000, which is an intriguing development. Under normal conditions, an asset's value increases when the burn rate rises since fewer units are available for purchase. The basic laws of supply and demand explain this occurrence by saying that when a resource gets scarce while demand stays the same or increases, the value of this should rise. In spite of this upsurge, the token's value has been relatively unchanged during the last 2 weeks. Could regain command if SHIB breaks out over its current resistance level of 0.12, leading to a more consistent price increase. With a 5.6% increase from 0.102 to 0.178 in the past few days, Shiba Inu has shown signs of life recently. Shiba Inu has a huge and committed community, which helps it remain popular among cryptocurrency fans despite its underwhelming performance in the past. This little but significant gain has caught the attention of many investors who are now monitoring the token's progress closely. The future ambitions of Inu, which have been successful thus far, involve creating a blockchain, a stablecoin called SHIB, and becoming a worldwide exchange of value. That has won over a large number of Bitcoin backers and investors. Also known to investors is Shiba Inu's plan to launch the SHIB blockchain. With the goal of creating an entirely community-driven ecosystem, SHIB aims to provide developers with a platform to build decentralized programs or dApps. It is believed that Shiba Inu's move will increase the token's use, which in turn could increase its demand and value. With unwavering determination, the Shiba Inu community is working to reduce the quantity of SHIBs and raise the value of their one-of-a-kind token. In the past 24 hours, 27,668 SHIBs have been permanently removed from circulation thanks to 10 separate transactions spearheaded by the Shiba community. In a single powerful transaction, the wallet then mysteriously sends 14,1980 SHIBs to the burn addresses, making it the most significant burn transactivity of the day, despite the enormous burn. 1B789. 1,115,447 SHIB has been burnt by the Shiba community in the past week due to repeated transactions. Koyokyo, a recently minted token, sent an incredible 758,51,740 SHIB to the dead wallet in a single transaction yesterday, the most largest burn operation to yet. Since March 10, Q has been making significant contributions to the overall burn rate of Shiba Inu.